Right, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the channel. My name is Jock, and this is my beautiful daughter, Tanish. Um, we're starting from scratch. Today is the first
Video.
video that me and my family are starting, and I just want to welcome you to this journey of ours. Um, Let me just explain to you what the purpose of this video will be for the next, I don't know, we'll see what
Years.
happens. Years, yeah. So firstly, I work for a corporate company. I work in an extremely stressful environment during the day, and I just thought that this is the perfect opportunity to share with the world what it's like to be a normal person as well. So I've got three rules, promises that I'm going to make for this channel. So number one promise is no editing. We're not going to edit anything.
No intros, no outros.
No intros, no outros, no nothing. We will record on my phone. I just have a little mic here. That's promise number one. Promise number two is don't silence anybody. If my child wants to come into the video, the dogs runs, my wife calls me, that's it. That's good. We're good enough. That's fine. We're happy with that. And then the third one is we always will talk the truth. We will share
Always.
We will share our views in life. We will share our journeys. Obviously, be respectful to other people for sure, but just to share the happy moments of our lives. Just take off the corporate mask, uh, not being the person at work, and just be a family man, spending time with our children, spending time with the dogs at home, traveling, doing whatever we want to do, swimming, having fun with the children. And the other thing I wanted to mention, the purpose of this video is most of you will know that YouTube entertainment has become so big in the world. And my daughter here, she's only 9. We've got a son, a beautiful son, 7 years old. They grow up seeing people on YouTube. And the big names, I'm not going to call any names at this stage, but they always come to me saying that, Dad, I want to be like them. I want to be a famous YouTuber. I want to make all this kind of money. And the goal of this channel is really to show my children that it's okay, firstly, to have videos that's normal. No editing, no fancy software, no production crew, no time frames. Just be who you are and show the world that it's okay to make mistakes. Obviously, you can hear in my accent that we're not English. We from South Africa. We just a normal family of home language is Afrikaans. So we're not perfect. We're going to make mistakes, and that's fine. I'm going to share raw videos with you, like next level raw. But let's see how that goes. We're going to have fun. This is my second channel. Our primary channel is a gaming channel where my daughter, my wife, and my son plays games on weekends. We don't play during the week for obvious reasons, school and work and whatever. And on Saturdays we try to stream. We're trying. We're not perfect to stream some board games and just have fun with the family. They are the most important part of our lives, and what we do in life is just really uh, to help them, show them that it's okay to be normal and not pretend to be somebody that we are not. So if you're interested in this journey, please do engage with us. It's funny looking at this camera knowing that we don't have any subscribers, but that's okay. That's also fine. Everybody starts at zero, and that's fine. If you like this content, you're more than welcome to subscribe. If you don't like it, that's also fine. My view is just we need to be who we are, and I don't want the world to take over all the thumbnails and all the editing and clickbait and things like that. I won't even make a thumbnail for this video. So welcome, thank you. I'm going to try and make it short. We're also going to try and make a log every let's say 3 or 4 days, just share some experiences. And the channel's name is the Real Dad log. Go and Google the name log. It's quite interesting what it means. But yeah, that's it from my side for today. I've got a few ideas that's coming. My wife is actually busy making a TikTok video. She all of a sudden liked TikTok and sharing awesome videos of stuff that she makes to eat and sweets. And obviously, me and my children enjoys that quite a bit. So that's always fun. T Nishi. So by the way, just before we end this video, in our gaming channel, I go by the name of Coopit01. This is my beautiful T Nishi. And then we've got Leo B, that's my son, 7-year-old son. And then my wife is Boki91. So that's our gaming tags. We mostly play Call of Duty a lot. We like that. And we're not pro gamers, guys. We are actually terrible in the game. But as a family, we have a controlled environment where we play as a family and we have fun. Um, that's it. So, Tinishi, you're on the first video. I don't know if I must take the mic closer to you. I will hold it. Is there anything you would like to say to the subscribers? Hopefully, subscribers. We're currently on 0. What's your view on this channel going forward? What would you like to achieve? I will hold the mic for you.
So, since I got YouTube, I have been watching YouTubers like Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast is actually very famous, but every single time when I see a YouTuber, I'm like, oh, I want to be like him or I want to be like her. And today or this year, I hope we get like a lot subscribers, and that's my dream, and we achieved it.
Okay. Well, also, you actually forgot Ryan Trahan.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
the royal family.
they're very famous too.
So obviously, as you can hear, my daughter loves YouTube. She looks up to them. So I thought it would be a fit goal of mine to have a channel with my family, so that they can also feel what it feels like. So yeah, guys, this is actually in my own yard. So we didn't have time to go somewhere. Again, I said I'm not going to create different scenes and stuff. So yeah, we will see a lot more of us. You see, all good,
All good.
all good. Thanks, guys. And yeah, I hope you guys can join us on the journey. Thank you very much. Have a good evening, good morning, and good day wherever you're watching this video from.